Is it afternoon, y'all? I think so. Hold on, y'all. Yes, it's afternoon. I've been so busy. Anyway, I am having a honey turkey with provolone cheese, American cheese, fried onions, tomatoes, mustard, and mayo, and some hot chips on the side. Let's go. Let's get into it. I really don't want to hear that TV. Okay, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. It's kind of healthy, y'all. See that? That tomato look like it's already trying to slide out. That's one thing about them tomatoes. They love to slip and slide. Mmm. Look at the onions. Oops. I've been busy. 4 sets of pics for my upcoming video. I have like about 5 in the phone already. But I like to stay on top of it. Damn, you got Kaveh coffee from my bank. That's why it's in the cup. Last time I forgot to leave there with a coffee. High five. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tap it up a little bit. Let me tap it up a little bit. I don't want to go on my sandwich and stuff. All my coffee. Mmm. Hot. Good though. Mm. Are y'all ready for the night? 7 p.m. DJ Russ. Check him out, y'all. Check him out, y'all. DJ Russ. 7 p.m. Come vibe with us. I probably will be sharing the live with some of my followers. He made me as one of his moderators, but I don't know if I'm still. He told me that he took me off because I said I ain't want no part of it. That's not what I said. Read my inbox. I said I know nothing about being a moderator, but I love a challenge and willing to learn. I said also I'm gonna be going off to check my activities on my platform. I can't ignore my platform. And maybe that's where the confusion came in at. I don't know if he put me back on or not, but TikTok didn't notify me saying that he did. Either way, I'm gonna be there for him. He's there for me on all of my lives. And let me say this, positive vibes only, even on my live. I had to block someone Sunday. You come on there talking about some old folks home, like trying to say I need to be in an old folks home, or all my followers looking for someone that needs to be in an old folks home. I can't really say how he said it, but that's what he was trying to say. Then you know, senior citizen places, they play bingo, they have a movie night or dinner night, because that's where I used to stay. That's what they used to do, bingo on Mondays, I think dinner on Wednesday, and Saturday's movie night. Then you're going to come back, because somebody in the text said the same thing. No, we don't want that negativity, positive vibes only over here. And you're going to come back and say, bingo, bingo. Like, okay, it's time to play bingo, old ass. So I said something. I don't remember what I said. He left. He came back an hour and a half later. Bingo, 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 being funny, and I blocked him. I blocked him. A lot of people come on your live and be ignorant like that. Even if he was joking, come on. I probably look better than his ass or her. I don't know who that was. But I think it was a guy. Ain't got nothing else better to do. So I ain't gonna eat this whole sandwich. I ain't gonna get through it. It's almost 7 minutes now. That's that problem. You already know. White cheese is the problem. Onion. That's how my mother like it with fried onions. To you, mama. I'm gonna post maybe after I finish. Or a little later. I saw this video. It said, stop posting several times a day. That's not going to get your views up. He said, do only 1 or 2 posts. Makes sense. So I gotta go, y'all. I used to be posting anywhere between 4 and 7 a day. That's gonna get 8. This is the best. I gotta go. I gotta go. 9 minutes. Ooh. Later, y'all. Have a blessed Friday. I'm out. Don't forget, 7 p.m. DJ Russ. Y'all come and vibe with us. Later.